Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So yes, guys, you can see I'm actually going somewhere and the title says it as well. So I'm going to Mapen, and so I'm just starting off the vlog. You might have on a cap because my hair kind of flat. I'm gonna need to pull it out, but anyways, let me show you my OOTD. Anyways, guys, so yeah, I'm wearing this hat, wearing this black blouse. Let me put you guys lower. I'm wearing this black blouse. It's kind of like a tank. I call this, it's kind of cropped basically. I'm wearing this joggers looking pants. It's black and white, and I'm wearing these sneakers. It's my Nike sneakers. I've had these like forever. Them all on my shop. Anyways, and for jewelry, I'm wearing my Shakay necklace. I'm wearing this infinity bracelet and this one as well. I don't know what it's called, but anyways, I'm carrying this bag because I like just want something to put my phone in. I like just rag and wind it rag like these things, and just like a sanitizer just to have on hand. And then I have this on my back as well. Yeah, so I won't have to have the phone in my back of the bag. So like if I want to vlog, I can like quickly just grab it. So yeah, but anyways, guys, we're gonna be heading out and I'll see you guys on the road.
I've been wanting something from you. You ain't giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You ain't giving nothing.
So, hey, I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I don't really look. Anyways, guys, it's just like I don't know, I'm gonna want haul right now because I'm not trying to phone. Anyways, you guys see it dinner. Got those stuff and I got this stuff. I'm gonna show you what. Oh, shoot, those come out. Shani got Nesquik. We got some snacks. We got this. We got some cupcakes, which I'm gonna out of its sockets. Pancake mix. I can't see. Toaster strudel. We got blueberry and strawberry. Burger bread. Shani buy my pig steer and we got orange juice and bacon. Yeah, bacon. Alright guys, so I'm back home. As you guys saw, just showed you guys like some of the things we got. We pretty much just got like groceries and like food to eat. Because we actually went to Maple to do business. As you guys saw, we're in the bank, and then we went to like JTA. We're working on some like investment thing for my sister and I, and then we went to JTA to open the credit union account thingy. We're signing up for credit union, JTA credit union, whatever that is. But anyways, I'm gonna have to go back into my pen, not sure when, but yeah, we're back home and I'm tired for some reason. I don't know. I wanted to actually get like things because I wanted this vlog to be like all nice and lit and all, but that didn't happen. So this vlog is gonna be kind of short. I'm sure of that. I'm not even sure how long, but it's gonna be kind of short. Okay, so just bear with me. It's gonna actually upload today. So I'm filming this today and I'm hoping to upload this today. So I'm actually end this vlog out in a few and edit it and upload it, because a lot of you guys see actually on, I think most persons said they're on from 5 or is it 6 to midnight, somewhere there. I think that got the most, and then a lot said 12 to 5, but most of them said, most of you guys said 6 to 12. So yeah, so I'm gonna end this vlog here. I think Saturday I should be going somewhere again, and hopefully I will actually have like things to do a haul, and I'll have some pieces that I'm gonna actually haul for you guys because I like them and I just want to try them on for you guys. And then whatever I get, hopefully I can try on for you guys Saturday, or even not Saturday, because I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to vlog on Saturday. Yeah, but yes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys like travel vlogs like these, just go ahead and, you know, let me know in the comments down below. If you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and comment the what emoji? The dove. Go ahead and comment the dove. Find the dove and comment that dove emoji. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like this video, comment something down below, share with your friends, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.